So this is Grand Hyatt Bali in Indonesia. I'm gonna give you a tour, the walking tour. This will cover the front lobby, and also we'll go up to the pool, the main pool. This is a big resort. It's probably take some time to check everything out. This will give an idea about the resort, the property, and along the way I'll explain the things that necessary. So this is the entrance of the door. My family, where they're walking. Rano, Arisha and Farhan, they are going. Hey guys.
Hello.
So this is the entrance, front lobby. It's really a nice design here. This is actually outside, and the left hand side you check in over here. And I really like the music here. Every time I come here, it looks really nice. This is the part of the lobby as well. It's pretty big. It looks beautiful. And here is the music station, always playing a live music here. Some sort of music going on. Hey man, it looks nice. Sounds nice too. So this is the property. It's a beautiful Grand Hyatt Bali. We love it here. So we are now passing by the front lobby, and the ocean is right there. Hi, how are you? The landscaping is beautiful. So I'm walking towards the main swimming pool and grand club they have. So this is a little bit downwards. So this is a pond, koi pond, where we have to cross it over here. Look at the view and the landscaping over here. So right over here, if I take right, then I can go to the pool area. So I'm gonna just quickly show the pool area, and then we're gonna go to Grand Club. So right over here, so this is the pool where it has started, and then after the pool you will get the beach. So it's around 4 or 5 minutes. You can actually go from one end to the other end without going towards the villages. So this is the pool. It is still the main pool. There you go. This is the toddler section, and they have slide here too. They also have a slide for the kids, bigger kids. So this is the another main pool. So they have like 4 pools here. It's cascading one by one, and then this ends right here pretty much. And then if you see it all the way, that's the ocean. So that takes probably around 5 minutes to go to the beach. This is the Nusa beach, and it's just beautiful. The waves are big, and it's a very beautiful looking beach. I have other videos that will cover those beach. So that's it. So from here, if you take left, then you'll get another restaurant and the Grand Club. So beautiful, man. Very nice.
Then this is our second restaurant over here. It's Japanese restaurant actually.
Okay.
That we just serve like dinner and lunch.
Okay.
So
And breakfast too?
No.
No breakfast.
No.
Okay.
Not for breakfast, but it's just like lunch and dinner.
Okay. So this is the Grand Club Lounge we are heading towards. my family walking at Bali, Indonesia. This is the Grand Hyatt, a 5-star resort. So first impression actually really good. This is a walking tour of the facility on the way to the Grand Club. It's absolutely beautiful. It's
For access, you will get three different benefits. The first is you can get a daily breakfast over here. And the second, you can get a daily refreshment. So you can take any drink like juice, coffee, or tea. Could be two. And the last one is the happy hour. So basically, you can take any drink, but especially like wine, beer, or something else from 5 until 7 in the evening.
okay.
Okay.
Yeah, we have the club lounge access. Very nice. Thank you. Awesome. Thanks, man.